Now we're going to look at graphing lines. First of all, we'll look at the slope-intercept form. We have to graph the line of these. So I'll do the first one. We have to do half x plus 1. So 7h1a, y equals a half x plus 1. Now that's written in y equals mx plus c, m being the slope, c the y-intercept. So you do your y and your x-axis. There's x, there's y. Now the y-intercept is 1, so that's cutting the y-axis at 1. We've got to have a slope of a half. Now a slope of a half means the rise is 1 and the run is 2. So we've got a run across 2, so that's 1 there, 2 there, so that's across 2, and then rise up 1. So across 2 and up 1, and so it's about that steepness. This is the point it's going through. So this is our line with slope a half. And the reason why we've got a slope of a half is because the rise is 1 and the run is 2. Okay, now you try sketching the rest of these. Just pause the video and then see the solutions. Okay, here are the solutions. So 1a, b, c, c's up there, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, and question 2. Now the graphing from the general form, we can't use that technique because we don't have the slope and y-intercept. So we have another method of graphing. You could actually find the x-intercept and the y-intercept and join them up. Now the x-intercept was when y is 0, because that's where it's cutting the x-axis. The y-intercept, we put x equals 0, that's where it's cutting the y-axis. So I'll do one from question 3. So we've got x plus 2y equals 4. Now to get the x-intercept, we need to put in y equals 0. If you put in y equals 0, it'll be x plus 2 times 0 equals 4. 2 times 0 is 0, so x equals 4. So it's got to cut the x-axis at 4. The y-intercept is when x equals 0. So if we put 0 for x, we'll have 0 plus 2y equals 4. 0 plus 2y is 2y. Now to get rid of the 2, at the moment we're timesing by 2. Opposite times 2 is divide 2. And so our answer is y equals 2. So it cuts the y-axis at 2. Now to sketch that, there is our x, there is our y. So it cuts the y-axis at 2, there. And it cuts our x-axis at 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is our line going through the two intercepts, and that represents the equation x plus 2y equals 4. That's the way you do it when you're given the general form. Okay, you try the rest of question 3, pause it and then come back for the answer. And here are the answers. So you've got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I.